In this video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock wall jump in Dead Cells. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For you to unlock the ability to wall jump in Dead Cells, you have to acquire a specific rune which is found in the Ancient Sewers. So the rune is going to be the Spider Rune. This permanent rune lets you cling to walls. So what you will have to do is kill the elite enemy caster in the Slumbering Sanctuary, and he is going to drop the rune. So in this video, I'm going to cover how you can acquire the rune by getting to that location. So you will have to go through the Ancient Sewers. You will need the Ram rune to access it. So you will start at the Prisoner Quarters, then you go to the Toxic Sewers. After you arrive at the Toxic Sewers, you go to the Ancient Sewers. In the Ancient Sewers, you fight the boss. And after you are done with the boss, you will have a path downward that leads you into the Slumbering Sanctuary. Once you are in the Sanctuary, this is the exact location that you have to go to in order to fight the elite caster enemy that I mentioned. So once you go here and you defeat the enemy, you will see the Spider Rune drop. By acquiring the Spider Rune, you will have unlocked the ability to permanently wall jump. So once again, you start at the Prisoner's Quarters, you go to the Toxic Sewers, through the Ancient Sewers, then fight the boss, and you will have a path downward into the Slumbering Sanctuary. You will need the Ram rune to access this, so if you don't have it, make sure to unlock the Ram rune in order to get to these locations. And then you go to the Slumbering Sanctuary door, as you can see here, and you fight the elite enemy caster to drop the Spider Rune. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us make higher quality videos, so I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.